Hey Neil.
Good evening, Kak. Wait,
Yeah, wait, I
my
will.
username. Yeah.
Yeah, I also uh will wear video filter. Nah, okay.
Nah,
But wait, it's mirror. Wait. Aku mau ganti ini. Eh, gini. Tadi ngajarin matematika. Oke, matematika kan harus pakai jari ya, kalau anak SD. Jadi
iya.
bingung kalau aku kiri, dia kanan.
Oh, ada les MPK juga.
Iya, tapi for elementary school untuk SD.
Oke.
Oke, Neo, good evening ya.
Good evening, how are you,
Long,
Kak?
I'm fine ya. I'm fine. What about you?
I'm good. I'm
Oke,
good.
ya.
Alhamdulillah.
Long time no see you, Neo ya.
Ya, long time.
Iya, awalnya ada kumisnya, sekarang nggak ada ya. Dicukur.
Iya,
Oke, sehat ya. Oke, sudah siap, Neo?
sudah siap.
Oke. Maybe for easier to explain, ya. I will share the link to you.
Oke.
Wait. Gilek, Neo?
Ah,
Gilek?
enggak.
Suaranya agak beda. Eh,
Aman, aman.
pakai filter? Nggak.
Enggak.
Oke. I see a new iPhone. Is it new?
No, it's old iPhone.
Oh,
Old. Ya,
baru
yang
kelihatan.
pakai aja.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So, today is your graduation day, ya. Congratulations.
Yeay.
Yeah. Nah, okay. So, this slide, there is, yeah, uh, like a summary, yeah, summary of the lesson.
Oke.
Front-end development, yeah. It contains like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript.
Iya.
And the others, I think you can refresh it by search on Google ya, as
Oke.
usual. But at the summary, intinya yang kita pelajari tiga itu, three things ya, HTML,
Hmm.
CSS, dan JavaScript. Oke.
Ya.
Nah, so because you have the links, nanti please remember ada beberapa summary materi ya, inti-inti materi. Jadi, for example like HTML itu kan kita pakai tag head, body, dan bla 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 gitu. Intinya aja. Ya.
Hmm.
Nanti juga CSS sama, and also for JavaScript. Oke,
Oke.
understand sampai sini?
Ya.
Oke, after that, eh, ada quiz. Jangan di-spill dulu. Nah,
Hmm.
back. Oke. Nah, after the summary, there are like a task. Ya, nggak task sih, mungkin kayak semacam quest, tebakan.
Oke.
Ada teori, ada praktek,
Ya.
ya, about HTML, CSS, JavaScript.
Hmm.
Tapi I think Neo can do the task. It's easy ya, it's simple.
Ya.
Okay, so understand Neo?
Understand.
Okay, and if you feel like confused, you can go back to the previous slide. It's okay because you
Ya.
have the link. Okay, just
Oke.
next. Nah, okay. As summary, SML intinya apa sih?
Hypertext. Untuk kita nyimpan teks, image, elemen lainnya.
Oke, nah,
Tapi kalau desain enggak.
oke. Nah, intinya kalau Neo say that SMS store like picture like it's false ya. Karena kalau
Hmm.
kita nyimpen gambar itu kan kalau nggak di hard disk ya di cloud ya kan.
Ya.
You just put the link
Ah
ya.
ya.
Nah, jadi kalau nyimpen gambar, coba gambarku simpen di Notepad bisa nggak? Fotoku
Enggak.
nggak bisa kan? Ya. So SML just put the link ya. And
Ya.
it define the structure of a web page. So like human maybe ya. Human itu dia kayak tubuhnya. Nah, apa ini? Like a human,
Ya,
ya. Oke, next. Nah, ini basic document. Kelihatan nggak? Or too small?
kelihatan.
Oke, ya, just the basic. HTML, head, title, body, H1P, and so on. Oke, just next.
Ya,
Nah, this slide contain about common elements. Ada heading, paragraph, links, image, leads. What is the difference between all, and li?
all is like the list of kayak the number change into bullet in the circle and L is the numbers,
Then,
LE list of the item.
oke ya. So the different, kalau all dia nggak ada penomorannya, ya other, jadi nggak terurut. Biasanya pakai bulat, pakai titik, pakai apa. Ini
Ya,
dia nggak bernomor. Tapi kalau OL dia use number or maybe letters. Oke.
hmm.
Next about div and span containers. What make it different between div and span?
Kalau div itu dia mengambil satu satu base sebenarnya bisa diedit untuk tidak mengambil semuanya. Itu
Uh,
ada propertinya juga. Kalau span untuk mengasih jarak.
Oke ya, jadi kalau div itu dia ngeblok, dia ambil seluruh layar lebarnya, seluruh bitnya. Kalau span dia bisa dikit-dikit.
Iya,
Oke, next. Oke, nah, it's simple way to create forms ya. We use
hmm,
label, input type text, and input type submit.
ya.
Did you get the difference between input type text and input type submit?
The type of text is the input the text in
Oke,
HTML or that a type of submit is like a button.
yeah, okay, good. Exactly. Next. Okay. SML, is there any problem?
No,
No, yeah, okay.
I think.
Do you want to directly to the quest about HTML, or we go to CSS, JavaScript, and go to the task? Pilih HTML, langsung ke soalnya, baru CSS teori, CSS soal, atau mau ini dihabisin brek?
Soal dulu
Oke, oke,
di
please.
website.
You can use, it's okay, no problem. You can use website nggak bisa ya. We need to open the task. Maybe you can use a notepad or ya. Jadi kita run aja like usual. Notepad or VS Code as you want. Yang penting you can create your own task for today. Yang penting bisa bikin file HTML. Di mana-mana aja boleh.
Oh, yang penting bisa bikin.
Mm-mm.
Eh, ke close. Sorry. Nah, wait. Hmm.
Okay, are
Ya,
you ready?
yes. The
Okay,
name of the file, what? Index.
up to you.
Ya,
Okay. Okay, please go back to the slide. Quest theory dulu ya. Oke, just next. Okay, let's direct to here. Okay, next. Variable next. Nah, okay. SML teori. Let's go back. Go back again. Nah, okay. There are 5 questions. Can you answer the question?
Yeah.
The first
The
one.
main purpose for the we build a body with other clothes. Like we put the text, put the image, put the link of image at the element like that.
Okay, yeah. We can. Okay, next.
The second question, the diff is to combine the one style into a lot of element in one diff.
Okay.
Yeah, they
Span.
spend they spend only like we type a sentence and we want to color the N, the O, and with the head, color it like that.
Ya, oke lah. Masih bisa diterima. Next.
Okay. The
Oke.
alt purpose in IMG is for like we apa in the like we ahin mouse ke sini akan keluar kayak tulisan di bawah.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Can you prove to me? Kasih bukti kalau itu adalah untuk itu kalau di hover dia keluar teks.
Eh, untuk namain.
So alt attribute is used for when you
Give.
put picture and there's no picture, yeah,
Yeah.
maybe like you put incorrectly. Nah, so
uh,
uh, it won't be display the image, but display the
like.
name kayak gitu. Jadi
Hmm.
kalau Neo masukin link gambar, tapi kalau gambarnya nggak ada, nggak ketemu, dia akan otomatis di alt.
Yeah.
Oke, jadi bukan di hover ya.
Hmm.
Next, compare UL and OL list.
OL is for the number and OL is for the dot.
Oke, not only number ya, but also letters.
Yeah, I said
Oke,
later.
ya. Last.
The label is for like we make a title inside the HTML, but not in this one.
So,
Like in this one,
gimana?
like we make a text.
What make it different between P?
P
The difference
is
between P.
P is for long paragraph and label is for only one sentence or one word.
Okay, I will clear it ya, clear it. Jadi label itu kita pakai di form
Mm.
ya. Jadi kalau Neo bikin form ada nama, terus isian, terus umur, isian. Nah, we use label ya.
Oh,
So label we use for a form.
mm.
Kalau di luar form like sentence biasa we use P. Got it, Neo?
Yeah, got it.
Oke, jadi Neo nggak bisa pakai Ya bukan nggak bisa, tapi nggak sesuai aturan kalau pakai label di luar form.
Ya.
Nah, oke ya, oke. Can you go next? Uh, this slide is for the practice. Hah? Loh, kok ini? Oh iya. Nah, ini. Ya.
Oke.
Iya. Create an HTML page with title my profile.
Okay.
Okay, you can try to run your code. Okay, is it done?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you split your screen, like the question and the result? Okay. Uh, Create an HTML page with title My Profile. Okay, good. Add a heading and a short paragraph for yourself. Okay. Where's the heading? Add a heading and a
Heading.
short. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. But can you open your code again? You shouldn't put header inside the P. Ya. Jadi header itu dia punya tag sendiri, P punya tag sendiri. Jangan dibungkus di dalam tag P. Ini nggak sesuai.
Oh,
Okay, can you move it?
no, I cannot move it.
Nah, okay. Insert an image with an alt text. Hmm, okay. Please go back to the code. Okay. Try to change the extension into GPG. Oh, maybe this only this ya. This takut gambarnya rusak nanti kalau.
Nggak apa-apa. Bukan duitnya aku kok. Kakak aku.
Okay. Nah, okay, nice. Please change it back. Okay. Mm-mm. Create a number list of your top three favorite foods. Indomie, tempe, daging. What's daging in English?
Beef.
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 Daging sapi berarti ya.
Eh.
Babi.
Oh, mama.
Daging sapi berarti ya.
Yeah.
Oke. Build a form with the text input name and a submit button. Okay, nice. Okay, yeah, I think for HTML there's some problem.
Okay.
Okay, can you maximize the screen again?
Thank
No.
you for today.
Okay, let's go to the CSS, the second section. Nah, okay, this one, yeah, CSS. So, as summary, CSS makes the web page look better. Yeah, if
Yeah.
we like a human, it's a human, it's the big human. Okay, kalau HTML we talk about the structure, yeah, but the CSS for the uh outfit, yeah, maybe the clothes, the skirt, the pants, and something else, yeah,
Mm.
just like make the human like more beautiful, more handsome like that.
Yeah.
Next. Nah, there are three ways to add CSS, ya. Inside a tag, masuk ke tag kayak gini like this,
Mm.
and internal. Nah, it means like inside style tag, ya. As you can see the second picture, and the last one we use external file,
Yeah.
separate file style CSS. Oke, ganti deh ya.
Got it.
Next. Nah, so is the basic ya, selector. Ada kayak ini. Kita bisa pakai tag, class, and ID. For tag like just direct P, H1, head, body, and so on. And then for
Yeah.
class, we use dot ya for
That.
class. And
dot.
ID, ID we use
Hashtag.
okay hashtag or asterisk ya.
Yeah.
Nah, and then ID name, property value. Okay,
Okay.
next. Nah, common properties yang paling sering kita pakai, color
Comma.
and text. Ya, color. Ini untuk color text-nya. Kalau background, we use background color.
Yeah.
Font size for
For apa ya? Dengan the text
ya ukuran
size.
ya. Uh,
Ya.
font weight for font.
Ketebalan.
Text align ini ya
Untuk
rata-rata.
center left right.
Okay, nice. Box model, the margin, padding, border.
Padding.
What
Okay.
makes difference between margin and padding, Neil?
Padding is in inside the div and the margin outside the div
Oke ya, jadi
for the gap.
oke ya, similar like that. Oke, for the layout ya, display you can use block inline flag with
Like
height. Ini yang
box.
paling sering kita pakai.
Yeah.
Sebenarnya masih banyak tapi yang paling sering ini. Oke, next. Next, not previous ya. Nah, here's the sample. We use apa ini namanya? Bay tag ya, bay tag.
Property.
Property value. And this one we use button. Button berarti apa? Tag ya, by tag ya, not
Text.
by class, not by ID. Okay, next. Okay, I think for CSS just that. Any question?
Now.
No ya. Okay, let's go to the CSS task. Next. Nah,
Okay.
list the three ways to add CSS. Do you remember?
Yeah. The the apa langsung manggil
Mm-mm.
and we use the class or we use the ID. For the class we use the dot before the text. And for the ID maksudnya untuk manggil
Okay.
dot kayak dot Roblox dot YouTube. Kalau
This
kalau yang
question. Wait, I will cut your answer. Yeah, because the question asks
yeah
about three
oh
ways to
yeah
add CSS. Yeah. Okay.
oke ulangi jadi di dalam tagnya langsung kayak we style sama dengan ada nggak kita tambah or we can add the style inside the head
Okay.
ya or the last things we can separate the file to connect it we use the link
Nice.
ya
Okay. Number two. Explain the difference between class selector and ID selector.
class selector it use dot before the text for the calling the tag. Yeah.
Mm-mm.
The ID is use hashtag before the tag.
Okay. Next.
Different margin and padding. Margin is for the outside of the div or the grouping for the element. Outside for the gap. For
Mm-mm.
the separate the gap. Padding is for the inside. In gap in the inside.
Okay. Next. Number four. What
The
does like? Yeah.
the ah,
Yeah. Just answer. Yeah.
okay.
Just number four.
The number four, the flag is for we can we can like this, we can put the element into one line, into the column. Oh, yeah.
Oke deh, gak apa. Yes, next.
Kayaknya salah.
Gak apa, masih bisa diterima.
How to make the P at using the KSS. The first, the first way is add style into the text, and then color, and then that. Yeah.
Oke, color.
The second way is add the style in head and type P separated color head.
Ya, ya, ya. Oke, you can do that.
Yeah.
But actually, just answer like a P and then curly braces.
Collaborations.
Yeah,
Okay.
property and value, just that is enough.
Biar panjang aja.
Okay, next. Let's go to the practice. Nah,
Okay. Main HP. Hmm.
ya.
Or the page background. Oh, okay. Color blue. Text align. Center. Font size. Significant. Body. Lain. Okay. Udah makan, Kak?
Belum,
Kenapa? Belum. Ini.
belum. Karena tadi ada kelas jam 6, jam 7, nanti jam 8. Tadi nanti makannya jam 9.
Jam 8 ada lagi.
Ada lagi lah.
Mantap.
Nah, si paling sibuk ini. Hektik. Ya, sampai mana nih?
Ini dia maksudnya bikin elemen lagi.
Create a class, CSS class, highlight that makes text yellow with the, ya, gak apa-apa. You can make additional P or H1 up to you. Bikin tag baru aja.
Okay.
I think P for the sim. Uh,
P.
the most simple, yeah. Just using P.
Yeah. Eh,
Okay. Have you done?
belum. 5 jam lagi.
Aduh, nanti kelas jam 8 gimana nih?
Ditunda.
Nah,
Jadi jam 12 malam.
waduh, kasihan anak SD tuh.
Nanti dimahin Kang Deddy Mulyadi.
Iya.
Dah,
Oke, thank you. Just display it ya. Sudah? Ah,
dah.
change the page background kalau untuk type oke. Cell H1, center it. Oke, center it ya. Hola. Baik itu. Text blue font size 30. Set out paragraph font size 18. Line height 1.5. Cancel highlight and text yellow with the black background. Okay, set a button with the green background. Can you open your code? Your code and place it into the right side. Nah, oke. Eh, H1 center, oke. Paragraph font size 18, oke. Mm-mm. Oke, that's good. Okay, next, let's go to the JavaScript.
Alhamdulillah. Subhanaka Allahumma wa bihamdika.
Waduh. Yeah, it's just for behavior ya, perilaku. Like a human,
Ya,
tadi kalau HTML adalah tubuh, terus CSS adalah dia outfit, JavaScript adalah kayak action, like maybe movement,
bikin
gerakan.
interaktif. Ya,
Yes, interaktif ya, makes the page dynamic and interactive. Good, next. Nah, so same as CSS, so we have three ya, three apa ya, three kinds to add JavaScript code. You can use
hmm,
inline, internal, or external. Okay,
ya,
next. If you understand, just next. Nah, ini variables. There are two variables, two kind of variables in JavaScript.
oke.
Can you explain to me
Uh,
what's the difference between let and cons?
apa ya? The difference is that can be changed, but
Heeh.
counts only patok.
Oke, ya
Dia
paten.
nilai tetap
Ya,
paten.
oke, next. Operators. Pernah lihat simbol ini? Equal sign.
Pernah.
Oke, jadi kayak di Python ya, pakai sama dengan dua di sini ya. Nah,
Ya.
cuma di Python dia nggak ada sama dengan tiga, tapi di JavaScript ada. Can you explain to me what the difference between uh, double sign, double equals and triple equals?
Aku pernah dengar, tapi kalau salah mohon dikoreksi.
Oke,
Kalau double equal is for check the value is the two the answer we show. The triple equal is like double check it,
double
like
apa?
double check.
Oh,
Ya.
incorrect berarti incorrect. Jadi kalau sama dengannya dua, dia sama kayak Python ya, ngecek compares value. Misalnya true
Hmm.
sama dengan true, terus A sama dengan A, oke. Nah, but for triple equals, dia ngecek sekaligus tipe data. Maksudnya apa? Jadi misalnya seperti ini, one, kalau gini, tahu bedanya nggak?
No,
So, it's one, we use integer, and this
integer.
one,
Oh yeah.
using string. Kalau pakai sama
I
dengan
see.
dua, ini bisa aja benar, ya. Ini bisa true.
Kalau tiga salah.
Yes, because
Hmm.
we also check the data types.
Ya.
Oke, ya. Jadi uh, including like one 1,0 because it's float, ya, decimal. Ya, so it's different data type.
Hmm.
Oke, next function. I think there's a problem with function.
Ya.
Okay, just next. Okay, the manipulation is a basic ya. Jadi kalau misalnya kita klik, ini kan button ya, button on click, we move to the function. Nah,
Hmm.
change text. Get element by ID, ID-nya apa nih? Text, ya, ini berarti.
Ya.
In the table text change. Ya, jadi ini akan
Hmm.
keganti text change, just that. Oke,
Oke.
next. Nah, ini condition and loops.
Bisa.
Bisa ya, condition and loops.
Ya.
If-nya pakai kurung curly braces, bukan pakai titik dua. Kalau Python titik dua. Oke. If
Hmm.
there's no question, you can next. Oke. I think this time we only have one apa ya kayak section. Do you choose the theory or the practice?
Teori.
Teori aja, oke.
Ada JavaScript.
Oke. You can
Ya.
answer the theory.
What is JavaScript used for the web development? It's for use make it the web more interactive into the user.
Oke, good.
Yeah.
Next.
The between double check and triple check, the double check only check the value. The triple check,
Triple equal ya tuh, bukan triple check.
uh,
Equal.
triple equal is for check the value and the type of data,
Yes,
like
oke.
string or integer.
Oke. Next.
Uh, what is the purpose of document get element by ID? And we can use for the DOM for like the text, change it into the name like that. By ID is for we use ID in the text like P. ID equal name or something like that.
Iya, oke ya. Oke,
Yeah.
next.
Difference between let and cons. Let let can we can change letter in the different row. Yeah,
Different row.
like
Oh ya, ya, different row.
bisa
Ya, I got
ganti-ganti.
it. Ya,
Nah,
oke, next.
except cons we just pattern nilai pattern.
Oke, ya.
Yeah,
We cannot change the variable.
okay.
We cannot update the variable. Okay,
Yeah.
next.
What does the following count output? I.
I,
Yes.
I.
Yeah, because it's one to less than three.
I. Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure. Eh,
Can you prove it to me? Dibuktikan, coba dijalankan.
you bisa copy. Keep. Oh, only one I think.
Are you sure? Coba
Yeah,
dulu, diketik dulu. Belum selesai kan itu?
enggak ada.
Coba. Script for let I. Udah di-save belum?
Ah iya.
Oke.
Oh, 1, 2, 3.
Ya, one, two, three ya.
Ya,
So, for integer I-nya berarti dimulai dari satu.
1.
I less than or equal
Ah,
three.
less than equal.
Ya, berarti dia
Oke.
tampil 3 kali.
Ya,
Oke. Oke ya, good. Oke, Neo.
oke.
I think just that for today, for your last
Ya,
lesson. Thank you and
thank you Kak
congratulations.
for everything.
Iya ya, thank you and congratulations for your graduation ya, Neo ya.
Ya,
Nah, eh Neo sudah diinfo dari admin Algo belum? Jadi about next course-nya apa? Atau maybe
nah,
dari tante deh, di kontak tim admin nggak?
di kotak sih tapi aku belum baca.
Oh, jadi eh mau dibaca dulu atau?
Nanti.
Oke, jadi as I remember, kalau nggak salah itu ya adminnya juga kontak aku. Jadi ternyata ada next lesson-nya. Itu Unity. Tahu Unity?
Kayak game
Ya,
untuk game.
something like Roblox, tapi Unity lebih apa ya? Kalau Roblox kan kayak anak general ya, maksudnya kayak yang game-game yang agak berat kita pakai Unity ya kalau nggak salah.
Iya.
Nah cuma aku nih kurang familiar sama Unity ya. Di
Hmm.
samping aku nggak begitu suka ngegame ya, nggak begitu suka ngegame ya. Jadi aku nggak
Sama.
belum bisa ngajar Unity. Maybe if you want to continue the next lesson, ya maybe sorry to say ya harus sama tutor lain gitu Neo.
Oke.
Tapi
Aman.
kira-kira Neo mau lanjut nggak?
Kayaknya dalam waktu dekat ini aku off dulu Kak.
Okay, why? Can you explain to me?
Because my school have a lot of event and I just want to you experience like you said Unity. I like the coding, like making app, okay, web.
Oh,
Lebih
oke.
suka bikin gitu.
Ya, oke. I understand. It's okay. Ya. Jadi kalau misalnya nanti adminnya itu di reply aja kalau misalnya nggak interest, it's okay, just reply aja. Jadi jangan
Ya.
dibiarin sih. Kasihan salesnya digantung.
Oke.
Kayak nggak apa-apa. Then about apa ya report, maybe I can share this time ya because it's end of month. Ya akhir-akhir bulan ini. Too hectic kalau aku,
Wow.
ya.
Oke.
Maybe maybe next week lah. Next week maybe around 5 or 6 September it's okay ya about
It's
report.
okay. It's
Ya,
okay.
sorry banget ya Neil ya.
Gak
Oke,
apa-apa. Aman.
so it's end of Yusmith ya. Bakal nggak ketemu lagi nih Neil. Tapi nggak apa-apa,
Ya.
kita masih bisa saling kontak kok ya.
Bisa,
Aku
bisa.
simpen simpen nomornya Neo kalau ada apa-apa you can just contact me, no problem.
Ya.
Ya,
Aman.
kalau aku senggang aku balas, kalau sibuk ya aku balas paling nanti-nanti dulu gitulah ya. Masih
Ya.
ada saya penting lagi. Oke, terus apa lagi ya? Ini ada yang mau ditanyakan dulu nggak?
Tidak ada. Aman.
Oke, nggak ada ya. Jadi sebenarnya Neo, actually belajar coding nggak cuma di Algonova ya. Jadi
Iya.
mentang-mentang Neo udah belajar Python start 1, terus Python start 2, Python Pro 2, terus sampai sini front end, terus Neo merasa bahwa Neo sudah apa ya experience ya sudah berpengalaman. Sebenarnya ilmunya nggak cuma di situ ya. Banyak
Iya.
banget hal-hal yang harus Neo gali kalau pengen belajar Python, belajar front end ya. Ada teknologi juga namanya back end juga,
Iya.
full stack, database, ya, a
Hmm.
lot of code ya. Jadi banyak banget gitu. Jangan bosan-bosan belajar
Ya.
ya. Di YouTube banyak tutorial, banyak banget ya.
Hmm.
It's okay. Gitu ya. Soalnya gini Neo, kalau Neo udah stop sampai sini ya, pasti lupa semua apa yang dipelajari
Iya.
kemarin-kemarin. I'm pretty sure. Jadi emang harus maybe every day latihan maybe 30 minutes, 1 hour is enough. Like
Iya.
this. Okay, just that Neo ya.
Aku
So,
mau nanya Kak, kalau kita belajar satu bahasa, misalkan Python, kita udah paham nih, apakah kita ulang lagi atau lanjut ke bahasa lain?
jadi gini Neo. In my opinion, apa ya? Sebenarnya fokus itu bagus, tapi kita harus ngikutin kebutuhan pasar. Aku
Hmm.
tanya dulu, Neo, eh, tujuan belajar coding itu apa sih?
Data science.
Maksudnya pengen kerja di bagian data science gitu?
Belum
Atau
tahu. Belum tahu.
maksudnya tujuan Neo untuk saat ini data science dipakai buat apa? Cuma pengen tahu aja atau gimana?
Pengen kerja data science.
Oke, nah, as I know di data science itu berarti pengantarnya ke Excel dulu, ya,
Ya,
Excel. Terus database, database udah pernah belajar
udah
apa database
di
yang
Argonova.
database, database.
Belum, belum.
belum sama sekali ya. Jadi itu database nanti Neo akan belajar query ya.
Ya.
Aku sebenarnya bisa database ya, cuma ya Gunova kan nggak ngajarin database ya.
Hmm.
Ya, jadi eh, itu database bahasa pemrograman kalau analisis data itu ada Python iya. R tahu
Oh,
nggak? R
tahu, tahu.
cuma huruf R gitu.
Ya, tahu.
Ya, itu MATLAB ya kayak gitu. Itu aja sih kalau analisis data. Nah, tapi Neo jangan bosen-bosen itu apa stack di situ. Karena siapa tahu
Ya,
next akan ada bahasa baru. Nah, Neo harus bisa menyesuaikan. Jadi Neo
oke.
jangan ada aku cuma belajar Python aja deh kayak gitu. Ya, nanti Neo ketinggalan zaman. Harus
Ya.
ikutin tren. Kalau trennya nanti bisa ada bahasa S, ya Neo mau nggak mau harus belajar bahasa S.
Hmm.
Gitu ya.
Oke.
Anything else?
Aman deh, Kak.
Aman ya, oke ya. Jadi kalau gitu aku izin pamit ya. Terima kasih banyak atas pertemuan
Terima
kita selama ini
kasih.
Neo ya.
Ya.
Bakalan kangen nggak ketemu Neo lagi. Ya, ya lama ya. Maksudnya kita
Lama.
tiga
Dua
kurs ya,
tahun.
sampai tiga kurs ketemu
Ya,
terus.
3 kos.
Jadi kayak apa ya? Jujur kalau aku bilang
Kakak
agak
adik.
kangen ya, nggak
Ya.
ketemu Neo lagi. Ya, just that's Neo ya. Thank you.
Oke. Thank you, Kak.
Iya. So,
Thank
bye bye
you.
Neo.
Bye-bye. Thank you.
Oke Neo.